We are here in beautiful Old Quebec, Quebec City, in Quebec, Canada. We can see some of the different buildings, many of which date back all the way to the 16 and 1700s. Easily one of the most beautiful cities I've ever been to. And you know what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna go in that building over there and check out the elevator, because I heard that there's something pretty epic inside. It's the financial building. There's the emergency bell for the elevator. Let's head on in. Yes, it's original. And look at what we got here. That's right. Look at this. We got a completely original Turnbull elevator. Oh, those really sound epic. And here it is. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's Turnbull. Listen. Let's head down to SS. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's going up because I hit up. I'm guessing it parks up here. See if we can go down. Here's a look at the cab. It's bottom drive. It's a little bouncy too. And it looks like it just left. And there's gotta be the machine room. Hoping this call station works. This elevator's gotta be from like the 50s or 60s. Doesn't sound like it's doing anything. So we're gonna have to catch it back up on RC. Really nice old staircase as well. Although, of course, the elevator's way more fun. And it went down to the basement. And here I was thinking the button was broken. Nice classic leveling. Let's go to 7. And if you look up there, there's no interlock. This thing uses side-mounted interlocks. I'll have to get my flashlight on. See, look at that. Oh wow, this is so cool. Yeah, Turnbull actually was a Westie distributor in addition to being a Dover. Well, actually, it does look like it has one interlock up there. But yeah, I'm guessing it hits a switch to release the interlock, which is why it makes that thud whenever it stops. Let's go down to basement. Look at these fixtures. Man, are they in excellent shape. Our service cabinet's locked. Here we are on SS. Sadly, there's no lights on, so you can't see the machine room from there. Listen. Here we go. Man, this thing is epic. We are in 7. And we'll go back down to the basement. Here we are. And you know what? I think this one deserves another ride. Little shaky, but otherwise it runs great. Here we are on 7. And we're gonna get out and get a view up here. So if you go out here, you can actually get a pretty good view from here. This building is in the lower part of town, but as you get up to the top, I'll show you something really interesting up here. This building's in the lower town of Old Quebec, but look at this. We're only barely below the top of the hill where the upper town is. So interesting. Guessing that's an office of some sort. There doesn't seem to be much to really see here. All right, we'll head back down. It's probably parked on two, so we're gonna have to wait for it to come back up. Oh, sweet, it's waiting for us. Love that button. Go down to SS. And we'll look at the fixtures as we go down. Here we are. And we'll end on RC, or exit. Here we are on one. And anyways, there it goes. And that's gonna be it.